Hi everyone, Nancy with our treasure home, and welcome back to the channel. So what I did, I took some ground turkey bacon chili I made with no beans, and I will put an iCard up here or somewhere over there, wherever it comes up. And I reheated it tonight because, yeah, it's just my hips hurting. I just want something quick and easy. So I reheated that up, and then I put French fried onions on my plate. Kind of made it look like a, nice and neat, like a little bed it's going to lay on. Now, why do they make words like that? Not make words, but use words like that in cooking. It's so weird, but in a way cool. The regular day terms used in cooking terms, like a bed of lettuce, or kale or something like that. That's pretty neat. So I am going to pour this onto let's see, there we go, onto the plate. I'm trying not to make a big mess. Here we go. So I do have a video where I made my turkey chili, and like I said, I will post it. I will link it up there somewhere. And this is a lot, because I was like, oh, it has this. This should be enough for me. Oh no, this looks good though. Alrighty, look at all that. And then we're going to top it off with some real life shredded cheese, because it's the brand we use. I am not sponsored, and I've said that many times. It'd be so much fun if it was. Alright, so there's our cheese. So we use that cheese, and we also use, I don't see more. I think they used it all. Shredded Parmesan, but I don't have any of that on there, so we'll just use this cheese. Usually, let it melt. Get it in there really good. Oh, it smells wonderful. Look at that. I love you. So there we go. That is dinner tonight. And I'm going to get a nice bite. Let's see here. I'm trying to get everything. There we go. French fried onions, the turkey chili, and the cheese. So let's see how it tastes. You said comfort food is only for winter time. Comfort food is good anytime. There we go. Oh my goodness, this tastes so good. There we go. Alright everybody, I'm going to go have dinner. Y'all enjoy. Don't forget to stop by DJ Cartoon Universe tonight. We are doing cartoon reviews with Insane Dog, Devil Dog Eddie, and Anastasia Wishes, and me and Al Chafe. And then we have an open chat. So stop by and see what we're doing tonight. So I'm going to tell you the cartoons. You got to come by and see what we're doing. So with that, if you haven't liked, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications, and we'll see you next time on Our Treasure Home.